National Electrical Code Section 210.52. C3 governs the placement of outlets on bars. Outlets must be spaced a maximum of 24 inches apart along the bar's length. Outlets must be installed within 12 inches above the bar's countertop. If outlets are installed in recessed housings, the housings must be flush with the counter's surface. All outlets must be equipped with tamper-resistant receptacles. For a 12-foot bar, a minimum of 6 outlets spaced evenly along its length is required. Ensure outlets are installed in a convenient location for easy access. Consider installing additional outlets if the bar will be used for appliances or charging devices. Consult with a licensed electrician to ensure proper installation and compliance with all applicable codes. The requirements may vary slightly based on local building codes, so always check with the local building department for the most up-to-date regulations.